There's nothing better than a hearty chicken and vegetable soup. It's delicious, it's nutritious, it's healing, and you can fix enough to put in the freezer for later. Hi, I'm Dana McNeill. I coach women just like you through intermittent fasting. Let's keep things simple and make healthier choices together. Subscribe to my channel if you like. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Enjoy this recipe. Let's start with a whole chicken. Organic free-range chicken is always going to be best. And you're just going to put that in a pot, cover it with water, and bring it to a boil. You can add pink Himalayan sea salt to that. And you're going to, once it starts boiling, just bring it down to a simmer, and you're going to cook this for about 1 to 1.5 hours. You want the meat falling off the bone. Now, while that chicken is cooking, you can prepare your vegetables. Your onion, your celery, you're going to saute that with some garlic, and you can do that in coconut oil. So just a little bit of coconut oil in the bottom of the pan, and just bring that to a low simmer as well, and just let those get very tender. Now, while that is all simmering, you can then start preparing your other vegetables. Now, we're going to use carrots. You can also use cabbage. You can use yellow squash. You can use all three or a combination of any of these three. They're all delicious in this. So I like to cut up my vegetables in chunky bite-sized pieces and then add them to the broth. I also like to use diced tomatoes in mine for a little bit more zestiness. And of course, you've taken your chicken out of your broth. It's cooling off. Then you're going to debone it. You've got your boneless chicken. Put it back into the broth as well. Cook your vegetables and chicken all in there. Let it just come to a low simmer and let it simmer for an hour or two. Add your spices in there. I like to add garlic powder, black pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper. Go easy on that. Some paprika maybe, rosemary, thyme. Any of your favorite spices, all of those are delicious. And then just let it simmer until it is tasty the way you want it. It is delicious. Enjoy this soup, and it's great served over rice as well. I hope you love it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos. See you next time.